The purpose of mucus and phlegm within the body is to safeguard our health and are critical for our system, but they don't seem to be identical. Mucus also causes sinus congestion during a cold, and it cleanses the nasal passages and humidifies the air we breathe, eradicating particles like dirt or dust. Alternatively, phlegm settles within the system and is present once we wheeze and cough. Both contain antibodies and have strong antibacterial properties that combat infections. Our body makes about 1.5 liters of mucus daily, but some infections boost its production and alter its consistency. Mucus and phlegm are increased by various factors such as a cold or flu, throat disorders, a postnasal drip, certain foods and beverages, dairy products, caffeine, soy and spicy foods, seasonal allergies, and pregnancy. There are several simple natural ways to stop the excess mucus and phlegm in the body. 1. Honey and lemon. Honey and lemon are among the foremost powerful decongestants that reduce the production of mucus and phlegm. They boost your immunity and fight bacteria and inflammation within the body. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar could be a powerful antibacterial agent, and just a couple of tablespoons daily will facilitate and promote a healthy pH balance within the body and stop excess phlegm production. 3. Turmeric. The amazing bioactive ingredient of turmeric curcumin offers more than 150 potentially therapeutic properties, including anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial, and cancer-fighting elements, so it is excellent in the fight against mucus and phlegm. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger has powerful natural antioxidant, antibacterial, and decongestant properties that relieve the lungs and throat by drying out the water-laden mucus and phlegm. To prepare ginger tea, in a 2-cup measuring beaker, add some grated ginger and boiling water, leave it for 10 minutes, and strain. 5. Essential oils. There are many essential oils that can help you reduce mucus and phlegm in the body, and peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil are among the most potent natural decongestants. You can use essential oils in 2 ways, diffused or applied topically.